Hey guys, Jeff here at Rich and Sons Camper Sales here in Grand Island. Just wanted to do a quick walk around of the Columbus 375. This is going to come in just under 42 foot and just over 13,000 pounds. Great floor plan if you're looking for something with bunks in it. You got great pass-through storage here. You're going to have 6-point hydraulic auto level, which is really nice. Dual awnings, frameless windows. It's got the whole 9 yards. So nice outside kitchen here. All right, starting up in the bedroom in the Columbus, you're going to have a king-size bed, storage underneath. You do have nice shelves on each side, as well as USBs up by the lights. And then awesome storage here in the closet. You got motion lighting in there as well. And then another closet here that will have your washer and dryer prep and all that stuff in there. So you do have a nice dresser here and TV. And we'll work our way into the bathroom here. So great size shower in here. Plenty of room in there. You got the porcelain foot flush toilet, nice linen closet up top there, and good sized medicine cabinet as well. All right, heading into the kitchen area, you're going to notice you're going to have a nice big pantry in here. And again, more storage here and a bunch of storage on the islands. Full size residential refrigerator. You get the residential microwave, nice 4-burner stovetop with you get the bigger oven here as well. And then moving down and the other side of the slide here, you're going to have TV, fireplace underneath, and then more storage up top. And then across from this slide out here, you're going to have the nice big couch. This one here folds into a bed. You can use it as with the table on there. That table removes easily. And then over here, you got the theater seating that recline out right in front of the sofa couch. So, all right. So in here, you're going to have great sleeping. You're going to have a bed up top. And then another one down here on the bottom. They are a little bit bigger than those single bunks you see in a lot of them. And then you have a bed opposing over here with the fold-out couch. And also, to top it off, you have another separate full bathroom back here. So a nice shower. You got the foot flush toilet and then sink and medicine cabinet right up above that. So again, guys, we're in the Columbus 375. So come out and take a look. If you have any questions, give me a call, 308-384-2040. My extension is 105. Can you exit, sir?